What is tempo? In music theory, tempo refers to the speed of the musical pulse and defines how fast or slow a piece of music is performed. Tempo is directly related to beats, not note values, and is commonly expressed in beats per minute, BPM. For example, 60 BPM means 1 beat per second, while 120 BPM means 2 beats per second. Tempo strongly affects the character, mood, and clarity of a musical performance. Traditionally, tempo has been indicated using Italian tempo markings, each describing a general speed and musical character. Largo, very slow, broad, and expansive, 40 to 60 BPM. Adagio, slow and calm, 66 to 76 BPM. Andante, moderate tempo, walking pace, 76 to 108 BPM. Moderato, moderately fast, controlled speed, 108 to 120 BPM. Allegro, fast, lively, and energetic, 120 to 168 BPM. Presto, very fast and brilliant, 168 to 200 BPM. These traditional terms provide an expressive description of speed, while BPM offers a precise and measurable definition of tempo. To determine the exact BPM, we use a metronome. And in the next video, you'll learn how to use a metronome in a simple, fast, and creative way. Hit that next video right now.